Well, this is very clear proof that we submitted documentation and they are really in violation of what they advertise over here. And I'm going to read it again. The division conducts investigations as directed by the general attorney, including violent crimes, child abuse, homicide, sexual assaults, special investigations, and looks into government corruption and fraud and economic and financial crimes, often working in cooperation with the federal, state, and local law enforcement agencies. If you suspect government corruption or fraud, call 505-717-3500. And you all just witnessed what happens with this conversation. And I got documents. I got proof that they received my documents. And the documents clearly state all the violations and the corruption that this government is doing. And at this point, as you may see, they are not afraid to tell you that they looked at it and there was nothing wrong with it. Because this is exactly what she say. I wonder if she's an attorney, or I wonder if she knows if they know what we are talking about altogether. She said we don't prosecute this because we don't do this. Well, at least she could give me a code. But we'll keep you informed. I'm going to continue making this video, but for the time being, I am going to make one more phone call and I'm going to look for the number. When I finish with that, I will continue with this video. And I hope that you all are aware of what is going on. I will have the pleasure to put this on Facebook and see if they like it. Because this is clear violation of my protective rights. They stole my identity. They use a different name. They brought me some bogus charges that they couldn't even prove. I challenged the jurisdiction. I got the entire documentation that I am about to submit to the Central Violation Bureau. And hopefully this one here is going to do something, because we've been taking this to the very high authorities. And as you can see, Hector Balderas, now the New Mexico Attorney General, they didn't even have the decency to send me a letter that says that the case was closed. But you've heard this lady saying that it was closed. But if it was closed, I want to know what was the conclusion of the examination. So I'm going to call them back one more time and say, what was the conclusion of the examination and who made this examination? It's outrageous, totally outrageous. So they are, I hope they can give me some information. I honestly do. But for the time being, I'm going to do this. I'm going to look for another number, and then I'm going to continue with this video, and please stand by.